And it's really cold down here in this basement. I mean, if I turn the heat on, it'll turn everything off. But long story makes a long story short. Today is Vlogmas Day 3. I said that already. Anywho, today, as you can see, I'm in my sewing area. So we're going to do something, as you can see, green, festive. So, a sewing festive. So festive. That's how it is. So festive. I'm making napkins for the tables. Not napkins you use, it's just napkins for decor. So if you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tara Love Diva. So I'm going to use these to make tablecloths. They're going to be 12 by 12. So with that being said, let's get on with it, because it's cold in this basement. There's no real heat down here, and the basement is off of the garage. So if you open the door to my office, to the basement, you get in the cold air from the garage. So with that being said, I turned the heater on, that little portable radiator heater. If it's on more than 10 minutes, everything gets cut off. It shuts everything off. It's so annoying. Anyway, and then if I plug the iron in, so I'd rather be cold than not do what I want to do, because I love cold. So with that being said, let's get started with what I'm going to do. Let me film something for my shorts, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have some rotaries from the Dollar Tree. Hello. Let's see how well these work. So these are the Dollar Tree. Oh, this is like too cute. Do I need it? I don't have a piece of fabric. Oh, yes I do. I just want to see how well these cut. So oh, these suckers cut really nice. Like, you don't really have to put so much pressure on them. OMG. I'm loving this. Now, these are the rotaries I was using. Now, my original rotaries that I had, I was using them to cut vinyl. When I first moved here, I was using it to cut vinyl, and I kind of messed them up. But this here is what I was using. Okay, so these are the ones from Dollar Tree as well, but these are not as sturdy as this one. I'm loving these right here so far. I got to test leather at the same time. So this one here is also from the Dollar Tree. They upgrade these. This is so cute. So let's try this one. I had to put pressure, and then, you know, still did cut through. See, this one snags when you cut. Hold on. You gotta apply pressure. And then it has a snag pull. So I am cute. But no, I probably use this just to cut paper. And I usually have two to cut what I usually cut. But let's try this with leather. Okay, we have vinyl or fake leather, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to try with this. This is not the video, but I wanted to try my new rotaries. Wait, let's try with the old rotary cutter. So that cut nice, no problem. Still had to apply pressure. See, I didn't apply pressure with this. I'm loving it. Go, Tara. Go. Anyway, so let's get on to my napkins. So I'm going to leave these folded, it's folded in half. So now that's 4 mats, tablecloths. It's 4. I'll be back when I make the next 2. So now we have 6 tablecloths we're about to sew. So what's going to happen is, because this battery is running low, I am going to go ahead and iron them, fold the creases, and I'm going to sew them, and I'll be back when I'm done. And then I will show you the table decor when it's all set and ready. So with that being said, thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Love Diva.
It was all just a misunderstanding.
Oh, good. So really, actually, I got a question for you.
So now what we're doing, we're going to do the half fold. I mean, this is a half an inch fold here. So I'm just going to iron this down. And we're going to do that all the way around. So I'll be back once I'm done with this. Here's the napkin. I did the fold and ironed it down. So now what we're going to do is sew it all the way around, and then we'll be finished, and I will show you the ending part. Okay, so this is what happened. This video is still going up as content because I did make napkins for Christmas, but it's not going to be for that day. So I sewed it all the way around, made the napkin, realized this napkin does not match my placemats that I have for my table for the Christmas day. So with that being said, this video is still going up. This is still a Christmas video. It just will be used for a different setting. So with that being said, thank you for watching. This is your girl Tara Love Diva. I am going to order me some table mats that match, or go to the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure yet, one or the other. So thank you for watching.